Are you chasing your tail, Iggy Puss? Are you chasing your tail? Did I catch you? Iggy, what are you doing? Iggy Puss, did you get that tail? Does it taste good? He was chasing his tail, honey. What are you doing? What are you doing in there? Aww. Where's that tail? Where'd it go? He's literally laying on his back, grabbing his tail, and biting it, and then licking it. Iggy! He's all embarrassed. What are you doing? What are you doing, Igg? Igloo! Is that why you like your box?